Hey guys, in this video we are going to be learning how to create a menu. So I have already logged into KidCare. I am going to go to Meals over here in our menu on the left, and we're going to go to Add Edit Menus. In this screen you'll see that I already have menus created. I have two cycles. I have cycle 1, cycle 2. So a cycle is basically a week, and you can name these whatever you would like, just as long as Tammy understands what your titles are. So cycle 1, cycle 2 for me is just week 1, week 2, basically. Okay, so we're going to go over to Add Menu. And as you're going to see here, it says, which meal would you like to add? So here we would select from our drop-down breakfast, lunch, or breakfast, snack, or lunch, or dinner. So I'm going to choose breakfast. And what do we want to name this? I'm going to name it Monday Breakfast Cycle 3, since I already have a cycle 1 and 2, cycle 3. Okay, and then here's where you can choose your components. For breakfast, we need to have a bread, an alternate, and then either a fruit or vegetable and milk. So I am going to choose cold cereal, and we're going to use multigrain cereal. This is a whole grain rich component, so I'm going to click yes for that. And you want to make sure that your whole grain is whole grain rich, based on the information that Tammy has given to us. And then I'm going to choose a fruit. So let's do apples. And then for milk, we are going to choose, we're going to choose skim milk. This is for children, not infants. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save this. And then we should be able to see Monday Breakfast Cycle 3. Here it is. And I can click this little drop down arrow, and it will show me that meal. And I can go in and edit at this point if I want to, or edit any of the others that have been created. So let's put this back up. Let's go back into adding another menu. Let's click it to infants. See up here I have non-infants and infants. So let's click infants, and let's click add menu. And here you're going to choose 0 to 5 months or 6 to 11 months. So let's choose 0 to 5, and we're going to choose breakfast. What is the name of the menu? Let's do Monday infants 0 to 5 breakfast cycle. I'm going to copy this because I'm going to use this for the next one too. Okay, now the infant milk is going to be what is being provided for this child. So for this situation, we're just going to use breast milk or iron fortified infant formula. And then you can choose another component. So let's do infant oatmeal cereal, and let's do applesauce. Okay, and then this little thing keeps getting in my way. We're going to save that. And now we're going to add another menu for a older infant, 6 to 11 months. Let's do breakfast again. And I copied that heading from the previous menu, but I want to change this to 6 to 11, meaning 6 to 11 months, so that I know which menu it is when I'm trying to schedule it onto the calendar later. So infant milk, again, breast milk, iron fortified formula. Let's see, we'll do an infant cereal. Let's do mixed, and then we'll do bananas. Save. Okie doke. So now you can see I have my infant menus scheduled for or created for Mondays. Monday infants 0 to 5, and Monday infants 6 to 11 months, 0 to 5 months, 6 to 11 months. And that is my cycle 3. So if you wanted to have, alternating menus, like I was mentioning before, you could name them in different titles so that you know when you go to schedule it onto the calendar, which menu that you want for that particular week. And that is how you create a menu in KidCare.